Engineering program here at TRU is a 5-year program. It means that it's including a 1-year co-op and a capstone project at the end. We're not just teaching students the theory of engineering, we just want them to understand the hands-on practices and introduce the students to the industry as well.
The capstone we presented today was called SPARK, which stands for the Smart Personal Analytics and Reporting Kit. We worked with BC Wildfire.
My group built an autonomous drone that's going to be used for bin picking objects off a conveyor belt in factories.
I really wanted to do something with drones, something with cameras, and this was kind of a combination of the two.
We worked on automated rock fragment size classification model.
It takes input as an image with the rocks on it, and it identifies rocks on that image with their different sizing classes. It can identify gravel, small, medium and large rocks on the images.
I didn't expect that our engineering students are this much in-depth involved in engineering concepts, and also how eager and willing they are in order to solve the problem that was introduced by the industry.
I worked on the integration system on our project, so basically it's the connection between the cameras and the drone, because the cameras are tracking the drone to find its position. So I worked on that, and I learned a lot through that project.
They actually spend a lot of time trying to size and design a drone under certain constraints, which is tricky. Like, they didn't just want to take one from that is commercially available. They went into the details of finding everything, the microcontrollers, how to interact with it, interface with it, program it, control it. So that was like a lot of work. It was impressive in that regard. The other one that I saw was related to Wildfire and how they want to change their radio communications to a newer setup.
Look at a way to communicate out health metrics from the field while being recorded on wildfires. This is a system that would work in remote environments where we don't have cell service, don't have internet connection, so how are we going to get that out?
So helping take fast decisions on where to focus, or if someone's in danger, or lots of useful things for the area, which wildfire is a huge thing over here.
A lot of the things that I was able to do were purely because of things that I learned through my co-op.
I really like building the application itself, creating that user environment, and seeing that the people actually use your product. It encourages me and it makes me happy.
My last co-op internship, I was working at Tech Highland Valley Copper, which is in Logan Lake, British Columbia. It's an open pit copper mine. And now I want to look into other industries as well, like nuclear reactors and chemical labs and all of that. So it opened me up to a lot more experiences.
Hands-on learning, especially for engineering, is crucial, because when you are out there, they're not going to ask you to just tell them. They're going to ask you to do stuff. And if you already have experience with that, you have better results, faster results, but also your own confidence is a lot bigger because you've done this.